Morning, Paul from Unsung Angler. Today we're in Pennsylvania. Myself and Greg. Greg's rigging up. Got my father-in-law, Barry. We're gonna float a river. We're at the tail end of the Cicada hatch, brood 10 here in Pennsylvania. Greg's been hammering them on Cicada Dries, so hopefully we can get into some today. So that's the plan. Fish cicadas all day, and for smallmouth, see what happens. Got one of Greg's. Greg tied cicada pattern. Lead wrapped on the hook to give it that extra plop when it hits the water. So.
It's the lightest weight.
There we go.
Nice.
Now we're good. Boy, they're feisty little bastards, ain't they? Oh. Get his head up. There you go. Nice.
They inhale them.
Here we go. First one.
There you go. There you go.
Nice. Got the skunk off my end.
That's a decent fish.
Yeah.
Alright. Was it a hard hit?
He smoked it. Yeah.
Yeah, he knew. This is gonna be, we're gonna be getting into the good water here.
Breakfast of champions.
Yes, sir. What was that? You're in another one. I told you, man. That thing is fast. It was the best thing to take when Julia and I went.
Man, Barry's trashing them here.
This stretch all the way down as far as you can see.
That was a good fish. You see that? Booted him. Yeah, he popped it good, and I stripped him.
Oh,
Like that one.
you got him.
Yep. Little one. All right. Thank you, sir. Mm-hmm.
Nice top water eat.
Thanks, little fella. And just like that, he's into another one.
No touching this one, right?
No, it's just, can't touch it, it's not big enough.
Hold him up for the camera.
I gotta shake that claw out. Yeah, they can be.
There we go. Got him.
There's a lot of little guys.
That's all right. These are fun.
Yeah.
I mean, they fight like, God, this fish is 10 inches. He's fighting like a...
10 inches is a good fish, I think.
He's fighting like a 10-inch or a 15-inch trout.
Oh,
Man.
amateur.
Amateur hour on the net. I like this gravel right here. I told you I like that gravel right there. Yeah, he's not too bad. He came up and ate it like he wanted it. Oh my goodness. A little better one there.
Yeah.
Might be 10. Look how fat he is.
Fat. Yeah, he's been eating cicadas.
Look at how fat that fish is. Oh my goodness. Man, he ate it like he wanted it. Oh boy, we're starting to get a little thread on wraps here.
Oh no. I should put glue on it.
That was funny. I like these rocks. Bloop. When do you want me to row?
Alright, good. Put a couple more in.
Twist it a little harder. Oh, okay, I'll keep fishing. You know what he's doing, Barry.
There he is. Wait until we get to the big fish.
Woo! That's a good one.
Yeah, he is. You want to fish this one?
And you throw a rod out and you leave the bail open. My dad taught me this trick. You take a beer can, soda can, put some pebbles in it to get a little weight to it, and you wrap the line 3 times around the can with the bail open. When a big catfish grabs it and he takes off running, as soon as he feels that hook, he's gone. He just runs, and you got time to get over. Because I took a buddy once and my dad explained it to him, and we watched his rod bounce, and got freaking pulled in the river. Big catfish took it. And then my dad had explained, like, we came back from the trip, kid went home, his dad's like, "Where's your rod?" And he goes, "A fish pulled it in the river." Next thing you know, he's at my dad's house. "What do you mean a rod pulled it in?" "Oh, he sipped it."
Yeah, I saw that.
Sipped it. I watched him come up and just sipped it.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was awesome. That absolutely a sipping rise. Like didn't.
Real gentle.
Yeah. Like he's like, "Okay, you're not going anywhere. Why do I got to exert any effort eating it?" Right under that tree. That was pretty sweet.
Yeah. So you can see this tree has a lot of brown tips to it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Out of nothing.
Out of the hole you were fishing. Alright, perfect.
LDR.
That's gone.
Oh! There's one. I got him, Greg. It's chicken. Oh, wait. It's a first chub of the trip.
Oh, the Perry County bonefish.
Oh. First alternative species right here.
What species is that?
There we go. Oh,
Microfish.
stinky bastard. Well, we're almost at the pullout. We had a great day. Didn't see any cicadas. We heard a couple in spots. Caught a ton of, 10 to 12 inch fish. A lot of action. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.